Want a garden buzzing with life and bursting with color? Let's make it happen. Welcome to the TN Nursery YouTube channel, where your dream garden begins. Today's topic: create a pollinator paradise with native wildflowers, your shortcut to a vibrant haven for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Colorful selections, perfectly chosen for your zone. Supports local pollinators and wildlife. Low maintenance and drought resistant. Naturally boosts soil health. From cozy cottages to professional landscapes, this mix transforms any space into a living tapestry of blooms from spring through fall, perfect for breathtaking displays and fresh bouquets. Just plant in well-draining soil, water moderately, skip heavy fertilizers, and let nature do the rest. These beauties spread on their own, so every year brings more color. Why settle for ordinary when your garden could dance with color, texture, and life? Bring nature closer and give pollinators the feast they deserve. Turn your yard into a wildflower wonderland. Attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds effortlessly. Our native wildflower mix from TN Nursery is easy to grow and blooms all season. The time is now. Click the link in the description below to place your order, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring garden ideas. Plant today and watch your garden come alive with color.